Hi, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, my name is Nani. I'm a film director, screenwriter based in Los Angeles. Today, I'm very excited to announce that through this video, I'm going to kick off the Artist Mind Reset video series. It's a series of videos along with worksheets that will guide you to help you de-stress and get ready for maximizing your creativity, from clearing your mind to setting up intention to making a plan to prepping for potential obstacles. I think in filmmaking or working in any form of art in general, it's not just about the skill, technique, and the technology. It's also about self-management, maintaining productivity, creativity under the stress, self-doubt, loneliness, and finding your way to success. Maybe you are stressing out, overwhelmed by your artist's life, or you have writer's block. You want to find a way to cultivate some inspirations, or you just don't know what to do with your overflowing ideas. I think this series and episodes can help you. In 2016, I decided to take the leap and make a feature film. I knew it wasn't going to be easy, but still I underestimate how hard this is going to be. So when I was overwhelmed, I turned to the YouTube looking for some filmmakers who is sharing their day-to-day lives, but I couldn't find anyone. Most of the filmmaking channel I could find is all about technology stuff like lighting, camera, or it's a video essay on storytelling. Don't get me wrong, I think those are very useful videos, and in fact some of them helped me make my film. But I was looking for filmmakers who is sharing how they stay motivated when they're overwhelmed, how they're looking for inspirations, what their days are like, and how they seek potential opportunities. Luckily, I find communities for students, writers, illustrators, and entrepreneurs. And their content inspired me to practice different ways and methods for my own filmmaking career. And also I started reading bios and memoirs of other artists to try to figure out how should I practice my daily life as an artist. I wouldn't say I can handle every situation perfectly. In fact, I don't think anyone can remain in their artist's mind 24/7. But I definitely can see the progress in me. When I feel down or meet obstacles, I can pull myself back on track quickly. As I'm working on my own Artist Mind Reset practice for the new year, I think it's a good chance to organize all the materials and methods that I use and share them with you. I think it definitely will help no matter you're watching it now or you watch it later, as long as you journaling with the worksheets and then practicing with intention. You can also save the playlist and practice at your own pace. You can practice once a year or once every season, as many as you want. The more you journal, the stronger you grow. In the next few weeks, I will release video on Thursday and Monday, and I will guide you through self-reflections for 2019, 2 episodes of the Artist Mindset Reminder, setting artists' goals for the new year, identify the things that hold you back, setting an action plan, habit design, create a vision, making an inspirational toolbox. And also I have a Q&A video at the end of the series for the questions that you submit throughout the practice. So if you are interested, you can click the link down below and then go to the website, register to the program. On each release day, I will email you a link to the new video along with the worksheets. At the same time, I'll do the practice together with you. Okay, I can't wait to see you in the next video. Be patient, stay creative, and I'll see you in a couple of days. Bye!